When the bird sings, my heart sings too. For that sound seeps into the silence of my being. Its silent song is the same silence in me. And like a plucked string, the resonance is registered. Without words to sully the pristine sound, the bird and me fall away. We do not sing for our supper, for there is no game in the singing, just the most quiet joy that nods to the knowing heart. When the silent string gently waves, we wave too, for in the field all sway, when the breeze sweeps through to the lullaby that is the hymn to being. And wherever the bird may fly, I will know its song as my own, a silent wave that ripples out to touch the silent string within all things.